If you want to enter and access split screen mode on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up any application. For example, let's open up our YouTube. Now we have to open up our recent mode. So if you are using buttons, tap on this button with 3 lines. If you are using your gestures navigation, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the 3 dots, press split screen, and choose the second application for the split screen, for example, our messages. Now we can use our messages in YouTube. At the same time, we can redrag and rearrange the size of the windows by this dragger in the middle. And when you want to close one application, simply put this dragger to the bottom or close both of them. And the second way to open up our split screen is through our accessibility. You can open up your settings. Then you have to scroll down to your accessibility and convenience tab. And in your accessibility and convenience, find your split view, make sure that it is enabled. And now, but this gesture, 3 finger swipe for the split view gesture, we can open it up. Like, let's try it with YouTube. Now let's grab our 3 fingers, swipe it up, and choose the second application, for example, Gmail. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.